Welcome to another video of Arduino $0 Starter Pack. In this video, I will show you how to create a project using ultrasonic sensor to turn on a DC motor. Okay, let's get started to the video. First, we should enter the Tinkercad website first. The tutorial of creating Tinkercad account, I already explained it in the previous video. If we had logged in or have account, we should directly enter the dashboard of tinkercad.com. Okay, and then we go to the circuits and create new circuits. This is our project that used motion sensor in a few days ago. Okay, and then we click for a component menu and then we search for Arduino. After that, we click a breadboard and then place it to the template. Okay. After that, we click again the menu, and then we search all to search the ultrasonic sensor. We use the ultrasonic that have 4 legs because I often use it in the real life. Okay. And then for the output we use a DC motor. Okay, then after that we search in the internet for the program to operate the ultrasonic sensor. We search program to turn on the LED. Turn on the LED with ultrasonic sensor. Okay, and then we search for the Arduino CC Web 1, this one. It's no problem if we search for the LED because the DC motor works in the same way with the LED. Okay, then we scroll to the bottom to search for the program. Okay. Then we copy it and then paste into the code menu in the Tinkercad. We switch it into the text first, and then select all, and then erase it. After that, paste with our previous code. Okay, after that, we should make some changes in the code because we only use the DC motor. One DC motor, I mean. Like this. We change the LED 7 to the motor. The duration and distance is the same because we should have the variable to load the data from the sensor. After that, void setup. This is the main program of the sensor, so we shouldn't change it. After that, because we only use one output, that is motor, we should erase it all and left one to change it to motor. Okay, and then serial begin 9600, so we can check the sensor or our system works or not in the serial monitor down below, like this. Okay, and then void loop, digital write trick print low. This is also the main program of the ultrasonic sensor, so you shouldn't change it. Okay, after that, if distance below 7, first we should check uh, the sensor, how far the distance that can read by the sensor. Okay, I forgot. Let's connect it to the Arduino first, the sensor and the DC motor. This is the power. The power we should, all the power, the sensor and the output, we should put it into 5 volt, depends on the specification of the sensor or the components. Okay, sorry. Okay. And then the trigger pin in the code we put into 12 pin in Arduino. Okay, we can change the color of the cable in this menu. The trigger, I want to put it into yellow, the power into red. Okay, and then the echo pin. Echo pin in the program, we write 13, so we must put it into pin number 13 in Arduino. After that, the last one is ground. We should put it into ground in Arduino. Okay, after that we put it into the motor, the terminal, after that, test. After that, we connect the motor to Arduino. The terminal 1 is ground 1, and then the terminal 2 is to 5 volt. Okay, after that we start the simulation to see how far that the ultrasonic sensor could read. Oh, I forgot. Let's correct the if syntax first. Into LED 7. Motor. Okay, and then we can start the simulation. Okay, in this simulation we can press the ultrasonic sensor to check how far the distance the sensor could read. The ultrasonic sensor could read until 113 centimeters. Okay, and then we put into the program. First we stop the simulation first, and then if the distance is higher than 100, the motor is on, and if lower than that, the motor is low. Okay. Okay. The motor we should put it into the pin number 2 in Arduino, because in this program we put it into 2. Okay. Okay, then we can put some program again, like serial dot print I move forward, move forward. Okay, and then we can start the simulation. Okay. Sorry. Okay, we can press the sensor again, and then if we put it into 113 centimeters, the motor is moving like this. The gear is moving, and if we move into the lower one, the motor will be stopped moving. And you can see in the serial monitor that every serial print in move forward, the serial monitor will print move forward like that. And then we can also print the distance of the sensor that the sensor have read with this program. Like serial print in, and then we put a variable distance like that, and the serial monitor will print out the distance value, and if the value is over 100, the serial monitor will print move forward like this. The value is 120, and then the monitor print move forward. And if under 100, the serial monitor will only print out the number of the distance. Okay, I think that's all about this tutorial. I hope you all can understand. If you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.